Okay, today is coronavirus day 354. I am going to talk about something that happened in Toronto. And also, of course, today is the day several regions and the counties enter different color zones. Niagara is free of the gray zone. So we have 1,023 cases, slightly lower from yesterday's cases. Good. Good way to start off the week. Well, the work week, I guess. 280 cases are from Toronto, 182 is from Parry Region, 72 is from Ottawa, 55 is from Thunder Bay, and 53 is from Hamilton. This is the first time I think York Region is not on this the main list, so that's interesting. Of course, Thunder Bay would have probably made it on here because Thunder Bay is in the gray zone now. It's starting today. So all other public health units reported under 50 cases. Okay. Six new cases have been reported that. However, we have seen an increase with the UK variants again. 535 UK variants, plus 27 South African variants, and 3 Brazilian variants. So Thunder Bay and Simcoe-Muskoka Region has had gradual coronavirus cases. So as I am reading off my list. So gray zone, though in green zone, Grey Bruce County. Yellow zone, Haldimand-Norfolk Region, Huron-Perth Region. Orange zone, London-Middlesex Region, Chatham Kent Region, Southwestern Ontario. Red zone, Niagara Region. Gray zone, Simcoe-Muskoka Region and Thunder Bay. Lockdown until March 8th. Toronto and Parry Region until further notice. North Bay Parry Sound Region, which is still has not been announced. there's one thing that. So I'm not too sure if you guys heard, but it was announced on social media that Canada Post was handing out their they're like the suspended services after two more apartment buildings in Toronto were caught. Some residents were seen not wearing masks. So residents of 100 and 150 Graydon Hall near Don Mills Road and Highway 401 will now have to pick up their mail at the nearest post office, which is at 70 Wynford Drive. So Toronto, City of Toronto bylaw is residents of apartment buildings and condominiums are required to wear masks in common areas. Exemptions is children under the age of 2 and or people with underlying medical conditions, which of course doctors would have prescribed and of course said yeah. So two apartment buildings, 103 and 105 West Lodge Avenue, and which is in the area of Lansdowne Avenue and Queen Street West, for the same reason, on not wearing masks. And those 103, 105 West Lodge Avenue tenants now they have to pick up their mail at Commissioner Street, which is almost 11 kilometers away. And over a hour-long 3-stop transit ride. So it's that's a new rule enacted in Toronto by John Tory. So color zone rules down below. So please do not forget Fines for individuals who don't wear a mask or face covering in businesses, other indoor public spaces, and crowded outdoor spaces. Fines and even closures for businesses that are contravening an order. That means running business when told to close temporarily, not coronavirus screening staff, no masks on, breaking capacity rules, no safety rules for staff posted, not checking with staff for following coronavirus rules, and also health regulations. And of course, if you're selling something, floor markers. This would, if they don't do that, businesses will be fined $5,000 in fines. And number 3, fines for gatherings exceeding more than a given number of people in various color zones who are not from the same household. Green through orange is 10 people at maximum indoors, 25 outdoors. Red zone, 5 people indoors, 25 outdoors. Events is green through orange is 50. And of course, in red zone, meetings is 10 people indoors, 25 outdoors. And gray zone and and lockdown rules, no. Fines maybe from $880 to $1,000 per person. Many people have been charged $880. So takeout, drive-thru, and delivery services, restaurants, bars, and cafes are available. Today's hospitalizations is 659 are hospitalized. That's plus 32, not good. 280 patients in ICU, minus 9, good. And 175 of them are using a ventilator, minus 10. And of course, apparently though, they haven't announced when they're releasing Johnson vaccine and Novavax vaccine, which are both, I think, single shots. Johnson & Johnson did say they're doing single shots, so easier. And the Johnson & Johnson vaccine very effective against South African variant. So, however, the AstraZeneca vaccine is not effective against South African variant, and it is the double shot, and the wait time to get the second shot is 28 to 84 days later, so that's kind of sucks, right? Schools. Currently 8,563 students, school-related coronavirus cases exist. 6,043 from students, 1,387 from staff, 1,133 is from unknown individuals. So, and the current cases are from 530 out of 4,828 schools in the entire provinces. So that's 20 schools that are closed in Ontario. Long-term care home deaths is still at 3,744. Still 106 current outbreaks right now. And that is it. So please follow coronavirus safety rules, use social media to contact others, only on essential travel, and follow the zone regulations. Don't go to other provinces for vaccinations. The fine is $500 and 6 months in jail for beating. They're trying to break the safety act. Stay safe, folks.